Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video I've got the X-rated Shockwave Kids BMX Bike. This has been assembled and I've just got it from Halfords, and this is the BMX bike for kids. This is 16 inches and this is for 5 to 7 year old kids, and this is how it's been assembled. It's brand new, just received, as you can see, with the tires. Beautiful, nice and strong tires. I've got these supporters that I've got with this bike. That's an addition, obviously. This is not with the bike, but for a little one who's starting to use the bike for the first time, this is a really good addition, so they can start to ride the bike, and then at some point you have to just take these off, and then they can start to ride the bike without any support. So early on, use these, highly recommended. Some might say probably not, but I think it's really good to have these. And just to give you a all-round review of this bike, looks really good, quite strong and sturdy, really nice frame, very strong aluminum frame. And I also got some of the other things that I've got. A bike lock, a simple bike lock for kids. It's just not really a big problem. Just need a bike lock because you usually have parents around or someone around. I suppose at least when the kid's just literally starting to bike, so you would just be better off using a bike lock. And then I've got some of these knee and elbow pads. As you can see, age 3 to 6 years for kids. It's got the knee pad over here, and underneath you've got the elbow pads as well. That's to just provide an all-round support while your kid's starting to ride a bike, essentially. So this is all aluminum, this support, and and I was also thinking of getting the trailer for connecting to the bigger bike, the adult bike, but it was £65 during the Platinum Jubilee, and it's gone up to 79 now, 79.99. So quite expensive, but probably when there's a sale, they'll probably have more of those at a cheaper price. So I've just got that off at the moment, and as you can see here, UK Halfords, and they've got this sticker over here, and you can also, if you top up with another £6, you get 1 year of service free of charge. Like obviously you have to pay £6, but at the end of the year you can also swap the brakes. So you can see here, these brakes can be swapped if you've paid £6 while you're purchasing the bike. But obviously if you don't go with that, you have to manage that yourself. It doesn't have disc brake. It's got these ones here. These are the brakes here, and that's the same at the back as well. So this one's the one at the back, this one here on the left, and the one on the right is the, if I'm going to just show you this, this one's the front brake. And the seat can be adjusted. It's fairly adjustable, quite really good, and fairly adjustable bike. You can also extend the handle to a certain degree, like to about 3 inches or so, and the same for the seat. So this can go along really varied heights within the kids, and it specifically says 5 to 7 year olds, which means anyone. Kids sometimes are quite they grow up quite quickly in terms of their height, and this really does really well in terms of that. And you don't have to really think of and a hybrid size, because this is the lowest. It might just be a consideration if you were to think if your kid was shorter in height at his age, perhaps 5 years or whatever, but this is the height it can go. So it's somewhere around obviously the frame 16 inches. This is the this should be from the foot, if you start from your left foot, it's probably going to be 7 inches, 6 or 7 inches, I suppose. As you can see, this is my hand. I'm just trying to generalize this. 3 hands, almost 2.5. Probably 6 or 7 inches in terms of from the leg to your bottom. Your seat. So it's quite it's slightly on the larger side though, but for kids who grow up quickly or are going to grow up quickly, if you've got taller parents, genetics, then you can take off this lever, the screw, unscrew it, pull it up, and it really goes about 3 or 4 inches. 3 inches, I think, the highest. So you can really go up, and you can also increase the size of the handle over here, which is gonna be really good for the kids to ride the bike for longer. And really nice to see the chain all oiled and lubricated. Mine's really getting rusty, so I have to sort of swap it out off my adult bike, of course. It's got, this is plastic, which is good for the kids, of course. It doesn't hurt your foot. In our case, it's aluminum, obviously, for obvious reasons. We're heavier than the kids. And other than that, I like the frame, Shockwave branding over here. And what else do we have? Some branding here, safety warning here. And what else? Maybe worth a look. The tire. What does it say? Max pressure, 30 PS. 30 PS. You should pump it to 30, not beyond that. And nice little cover for filling air in the bike. It's a bit different from the adult bike though. I might have to just get a compatible connector for the bike pump, just for this to work with mine, with my bike pump. And just to give you a wider perspective, this is the bike and the accessories that I've purchased as an add-on. This costs about £120, so 120 quid for the bike, and the rest, the supporters, the elbow and the knee pads and the bike lock, all in all is 163 quid. And that's it really. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care, guys. Bye.